Making a virtual space of interaction with your face motion would be a great experience of virtual reality. Imagine that your computer screen became a space with desks that you can actually feel and move around in. There's a specific type of artistic feel within the video, a hybrid of movement and color that looks two-dimensional but feels three-dimensional.
LineWave 3D is an interactive computer application that transforms the user into a 2D representation of themselves within a 3D space. This is caused from the neon sequence of lines that are continuously moving with the user while trying to wrap around objects.
The major way for users to interact with this program is by moving their faces. The patch will be automatically opened in the presentation mode that shows the entire interface for users. This is a simple user interface that makes this program easy to use. There are only a few buttons, including a power toggle, a toggle for switch the display to full screen, and some buttons for changing the background music, and some elements that for developers to test and debug is hidden behind the presentation mode, which is the code that shows how this program actually works.
The platform is extended from the midterm assignment, including Cody's Sound Trip and Junshu's Position.
This application is based on the face tracking technology. The depth perception is taken from my project Position that uses the face tracking technology provided by the Max package cv.jit.
The visuals and sound sequencing were taken from Sound Trip, with an addition of the artist Sadie with her song Lavender Ghost.
Lavender ghost, hair like the night and eyes like stones,
including Lavender Ghost. There are 4 songs in the playlist that matches the style of our graphic, which enhance the overall experience with both visuals and sound. Besides pressing the button, we also designed the keyboard input that user can press the number key 1 to 4 for changing the sounds.
In addition, the more you move, the louder the background music becomes.
The three-dimensional effect is made by using the value from face tracking. The X, Y, and Z value represents user's face position and the distance from the camera. For making a 3D effect, our design for the interaction is, if the user moves their face to the left, the graphic will also move left, to make an effect that you can look at the hidden part on the right. Plus, by using the face size value, if the user moves closer to the camera, the graphic will actually zoom out. It looks like you are approaching the virtual space on the screen closer and closer. The most important step is finding the relation between the face tracking value and the offset X, offset Y, and zoom in and out value for j.rota that actually making the 3D effect for output graphic. I made some calculation and get the primary function that represents this relation. When using this path, make sure that you have a camera connected to your Mac or PC. And the better light condition in your environment will enhance the face tracking accuracy.
While interacting with the application, make sure to move slow enough to let the visuals process your coordinates. Also, remember to keep your face within the borders of the screen so that the camera can track your facial movement. We believe that Linewave 3D is the best interactive art piece we've ever made. From the psychedelic nature of the line art to the intuitive interaction of the motion capture, we're taking you to the next dimension of virtual reality. Enjoy this patch and have a fantastic time interacting with your Linewave virtual space.